Battery Wharf has a series of buildings, museums, and high-end condominiums in Boston's North End. About 5 years ago, 900 stainless steel panels were installed on balconies that overlook Boston Harbor. The panels were perforated, meaning holes had been punched by a manufacturer. This introduced free iron and contaminants into panels during manufacturing. The panels were never passivated or treated prior to installation. In a short amount of time, the harsh environment of the salt water caused many of the panels to corrode and rust. Cleaning the panels on site with various chemicals and treatments offered the on-site management company little long-term relief, and localized corrosion continued to spread across the panel. New England Electropolishing was consulted and performed multiple site visits to assess the situation. Samples were electropolished, which removed the rust and restored the corrosion-resistant properties of the stainless. The samples were reinstalled in various locations and monitored over time. The electropolished panels withstood the environment over multiple seasons. Furthermore, no additional on-site treatments or maintenance were needed, which saved facilities management time and additional expenses. This gave the property manager both the confidence and peace of mind to move forward with electropolishing all 900 units. Battery Wharf is one example of how electropolishing can solve complex corrosion issues and prolong the life of stainless steel subjected to harsh environments. Over the past 35 years, New England Electropolishing has worked with many companies faced with similar circumstances on stainless steel fabrications and material. It's never too late to protect your stainless.